Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to do the front post DCs. The abbreviation for front post DC is FPDC, and this is the symbol. The front post DC is worked around the post of the DC rather than the top of the loops. So let's get started. You will understand this better once you see it. So the turning chain for this is chain 2. Now yarn over. We will skip this as the turning chain replaces the first stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook through the work like this so that you grab the post of the next stitch like this. Let me show you again. So insert it through like this and bring it up like this. Now yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on top now. Yarn over and complete the DC. So this is how we do the front post DC. Let me repeat that. Yarn over, insert your hook through the work like this. Yarn over and pull up a loop and complete the stitch. Let's do that one last time. So yarn over, insert your hook through your work like this so that you've grabbed the post through the front. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, finished the DC. So this is how you make the front post double crochet. Keep practicing this stitch, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the back post double crochet. Happy hooking!